Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We are going to do a review workshop. I don't know why I say we, because you are going to do. You have here 5 exercises. All these exercises are from the topics we already saw. The A and V are from kinematics. This is a uniform accelerated rectilinear motion. The V is free fall. The C is from a parabolic motion. The D and the E are from Newton's laws and work and power. Okay. Um, I highly recommend you to work with the formulas and to work with your notebook because you are going to need it to, so you don't get lost or you don't get confused of all the formulas we saw. It's better to work with with your notebook. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind and good luck. See you in another video. Bye bye.